As a supervisor, you don't do them things no more.
But don't do that, don't tell the lie from me. Don't tell the lie from me.
So say it with hope and you were sure I couldn't agree that we were meant to be. But our love is what they talk about in movies. Our love is what they talk about.
Our practice lady sick. Our practice lady. Chocolate. Top of the billion. Yeah, man. Week in top, but big side man, Mr. Lane, man. The woman them come later now, tell them stop from work. No, you don't sit down, if you sit down. As a supervisor, you don't do them things no more.
But don't do that, don't tell the lie from me. Don't tell the lie from me. What can I say to pick with him? When them don't come and work me pick side?
Do you mean? What you tell them about work with it? That's right. You lock them out, you know. Yeah, friend, you can't tell the truth.
Yeah, you have to tell me the truth and everything around. So tell me which one to tell, which one go wrong.
What if I mix up with that?
What kind of mix up you keep?
You know mix up though?
Yeah.
Man.
No, tell me, come in and know what kind of mix up you keep.
Since you're my friend. No.
always you say you want your money, you say you want me don't know how
You
to
know what to do, yeah. You know what to do. You see that? Let me see that. I'm having too much work on this today. See me? Yeah, I'm having too much work.
Tell me what you want. Where you want? Where you coming in? I'm going to get to the supervisor.
When you are going to this one,
I mean, that's in camera.
so as a friend, I'm
No,
not
but me I
you.
tell them say, yeah, say me you have too much work. I mean, I pick side with the woman them. I mean, I this, I mean, I that. So what me pick side with?
True.
So what me pick side with?
True.
So what me pick side with?
True.
Tell him, man, tell you.
No, but if you tell me,
Tell him, man, tell you, you know.
but if not tell me clearly.
Tell me that.
Man, tell you what.
Tell me that.
I'm that.
I'm put on my details. Me can't say about something I've never known. I say yes again.
No, but never say me never know say something. Say if I do something right, I must correct me and know where I go wrong. But I'm not pick no side. I'm not this. I'm not that.
Now big side, man.
What kind of side me I pick?
What if I side out? You know what I mean?
I'm pick side. I'm not. I'll put on the uniform for them. Give you.
You know how the uniform. This morning, bring back the uniform. You know how I'm not about the program. I tell them to make sure they come in and them in the uniform. They buy a whole uniform. I'm going to wear them cheap shirt. T-shirt I have on, polo. Buy some white shirt like that. And get 2 nice stuff. Much pants me, much up there. Eh? Need to find curl up and all that. Eh? I don't curl up and want that pants. Go here, man. It's a chug, man. I want the arms a chug. I want the arms a chug. I want the arms a chug. I want the arms a chug.
You have to keep with this morning.
You know what I mean? You're not kissing me, so some of you. Just me, I don't think better. Ticket, you shut down, keep that uniform.
If you have tickets for this one, you just have to keep yourself. But I don't hear coming to one, I don't know what to.
Let me photo.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Let me photos for you. I'll photos for you.
If I go X for me, I don't know what to do.
No, what you mean? What you mean?
I'm like, sir, excuse me, I'm tired of the
Why? No, I'm coming here. I want to do that. So me, I clean up that.
Yeah.
I'm going to do that.
Me and this one,
There I'm going to do that. I'm for store.
my store, everybody's store.
No.
Shoes, bag, everything in there.
Yo, tell him one thing, though. Tell him one thing, though.
That's so bad, man.
My word, everybody's in there.
Now go back to my laptop. You see me? I'm a laptop. Go back to my laptop. That's the show me. Show me I tell you the truth. Show me I tell you the truth.
Which shoes you tell me?
Nah, no worries.
Tell me what to do.
Operate better.
Sir.
See me? So you have to see me. And I know you write the paper better.
Month not even done yet, you say I'm trying to
So you have to make it
say December weird, February weird, don't know why you leave, and you still have come every day you tell me about leave, don't time yet.
That's chase so much.
Yo, cut him up, son.
Just stop.
So you're gonna tell me, say,
Yo,
you're gonna tell me X, Y, Z again, say, if you can't get this, and you still have
You
pressure.
don't have to talk to me. I could get ready.
Me, I don't want to come in and you want to see my image, me, I want to, what's his share, what is this man, and what I'll leave out for me, so I don't want to wake up no more.
Yo, show what we gon' finger nine.
So you like better.
So we want to chop off people that don't sell.
You don't call them and inform them for that you meet up with them.
Yeah.
That will be a figure.
The month don't finish yet, man. You know, wait till next week. One of the people for write up already.
So they write it up?
Paper.
I send it down from early. That them aware of the situation. That them aware of the situation. That them aware of the situation.
Direct come a long time,
And December.
and them are way right here, so February come.
And December.
So Santa gets here out. Yeah, some
Not
so right here.
Nothing alright.
They have to wait a lot. Sorry.
You're putting me out, money.
I'm a customer.
You're putting me out, man.
Yo, you're customer.
Yeah, I know what that's
Alright.
Say someone to write anytime you come here, man. Right? See that one time, you must write. Listen, that shit come here, I'm gonna do it, don't worry. Don't not be a sunflower.
Oh, you want
I'm
that?
gonna do it, don't worry. Don't not be a sunflower.
Oh, you want
I'm
that?
gonna do it, don't worry. Don't not be a sunflower.
Oh, you want that? So, oh, you want that? So that you wait down with the man with it.
and then check on me.
You want the things like you have a wait up the man. Yo, man, you wait up with the
Me drop the
things.
one, no, so me feel like say. You know, like in the time to me. I'm never take a call from nobody. Where's my dust no way I'm on
I could stay like this, forever following you. Just don't get too far.